Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. Okay, so I'm going to be doing another Etsy haul. This is actually going to be a combination of 3 shops that I have purchased some things from, and I just wanted to share with you what I purchased. It's not a whole lot, but I thought I would just show you what I got. Okay, so from the first shop I got this little package from ThePaperJournal. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what I got. The first thing that I purchased was this little stack of fabric swatches and 24 pieces. So basically it's just little fabric swatches, and I kind of needed to build up my collection. She did say, just looking to see if it's vintage. She didn't really say that it was vintage, so, but it definitely looks older than something you would find at a normal, Joann's or Walmart or any place like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip through. I really liked the florally patterns. Is there 2 of these? That one's pretty, the blue. Yeah, I just needed a couple little pieces of fabric. I didn't want to have to go, when you go to the store, you have to buy like a certain amount typically, but I just wanted different types that I could use in different ways.
So, yeah, these are cool. That one's not cool. Some gingham. I can't get this open. A purple, a gray, and a pink. Oh, I like this one. Oh, I like that one too.
Yeah, so there's 24 pieces in here, and again, like I said, I just wanted to get some fabric. Okay, and this was a little collection that came all together. So the first thing that I see is a bunch of little music sheet tabs. So those are super cute. I don't use tabs a lot in my journals, but I definitely could start. And then there's a couple blue little buttons, which I always love buttons. And then a couple little fabric tabs. So there's some crochet. A piece of lace. It's really pretty. And then another little piece. I was wondering what this was in the shop. I guess it's a sticker. Interesting. So it's a fabric sticker, which I like that. That's cool. And then again, a couple little more fabric pieces that you can use in different ways. These are all like pretty floral. So there's quite a bit of those. That's cool. I like those. And I feel like they would match a lot with these fabrics in here. So I'm glad I have that. And this is another piece of, it does definitely feel like it's got a sticky back to it. Yeah. So that's interesting. Not sure about that, but that's interesting. That'll be interesting. And then this piece of really pretty crochet. And then these are like longer pieces of that fabric. And looks like there's 2 of these pieces, and they're really super long. Oh no, there's just one really super long piece. I'll actually show you the right side. That's really, really pretty. I really like that. And then she included just a couple of different pieces that you could use. So an envelope. Some dictionary pages. And then there's some mechanical cut-aparts. So these look like they're from a book, because they do have the book on the other side. So just a couple of different botanical images. And then there's a bunch of, there's a couple more botanical images. Oh, come on. So just a couple more. And then quite a few just pages of different
book pages. Hey, crystals. That's funny. And a arithmetic book. And some dictionary pages. Oh, that would be cool to use in my Pirates of the Caribbean journal that I'm doing. And then some music sheets.
And then it also came with this journal that I probably won't actually use as a journal. I just wanted the paper. So I'll probably end up taking it apart and using it as for different pieces in here. So it just has, it's kind of cute though. Just different little pieces of scrap paper, graph paper, a doily, some of those botanical images. Yeah, and it's interesting. She actually sewed it. She must have I can't say machine. Machine. She must have machine sewed this. It definitely looks like it's machine sewed. Not sure if you can see that. So yeah. So this was from the Paper Journal. So from the Vintagepolkadotshop, I ordered a stack of tea dye paper. So let me pull it out because it's got a crinkle. Hold on. This is how she packaged it. Cute. Put a little bow on it with pretty lace. So that's a little extra. And this was very well priced. Had this for 100 pieces, $25, which is I couldn't find, this is the most reasonable price I found for tea dye paper. I would love to be able to tea dye my own paper, but I just don't have the time or really the space. To be honest with you, I live in a small little house. I don't have the space to be tea dyeing paper. So I'm just going to pull this out. She did send me an extra goodie, which she did before as well. But this is so cute. How she put a little piece of lace on here. And I love that lace. It's so pretty. Thank you, Emily. I'm going to actually put this in my stash. Okay, so basically it's just obviously tea dye paper. So it's all different types. And I love the variety. And some of them are grungy and some of them are plain. And so, yeah. So this is 100 sheets in here. And then, oh, she wrote me like a little handwritten note because I had ordered from her before, and I was running out of her tea dye paper that she had given me before. Hold on, actually, I ordered, this is the second time I've ordered from her packet of tea dye paper. And so she was on vacation, and her vacation notice said she's going to be back in January. So I just emailed her just to see what date she was going to be back because I needed more tea dye paper. And then she, so she was just thanking me for, reordering and all that stuff. Okay, so, oh, cool. Tea dye seam binding. This is so cool. I think this is on paper that I used in my Happy Planner layout. I'm going to take this off. Hold on. Let me look at my planner. Give me 1 second. Oh, it is the same paper. It is the same paper. That's funny. I wonder if I could put this somewhere. I'm going to put this somewhere on this page. Thanks, Emily. Okay. So, yeah. So, I got some seam binding tea dyed with a little button and a little pin. That's really cool. I've not had any of that. I've never had that before. And then there's more on here. So she said she gave me some extra stuff just because she I jump-started her I motivated her to get her Etsy store back online and list some stuff. So definitely go check out her shop. She's got some really cute stuff in there. So yeah, some more. Like this just feels like fabric. Some fabric, tea-dyed fabric, and a doily, some guest checks. Wow, Emily, you did not have to do all that. That's so sweet. Oh, these are cool. I like these books with the, I like the holes on the side. This is like music sheet paper. Oh, cute. Little Dick and Jane pages. Oh, those are so cute. Those are darling. And some graph paper. And some, looks like little planner pages. Cute. Line paper. Ooh, music sheet. Oh, look. Ask you just to touch you now. Aww. Create in me a clean heart. Oh, I love that. Oh, she gave me some choir paper. Oh, that's really cool. That is really cool. And then some more graph paper. Emily, you did not have to do all that. Thank you so much, sweetheart. That's so nice. I told her I was going to upload this video, so hopefully she sees it. Make sure you leave me a comment, Emily, if you watch this video. And then there's some construction paper with the holes in it. Looks like it was a notebook binder. And some more paper. Ooh, that's a really pretty green. Just a couple extra sheets. That's so cool. All right, this is from the Paper Basket. Aw, a gift for you. Are really super cute. I really like them. They're little address label-y things, little debt cards, and my first package didn't have them in there, and she was so sweet. She's like, I'll just mail you a new one. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I mean, like, instantly just took care of it, like the best customer service. So I highly recommend. I'm pretty sure her name is Katie. So thank you, Katie, if you're watching this. But basically got a couple of playing cards. I'll look at those in a second. And then I got these little cards. You can see they have like little debt and credit and balance up at the top. So they're like little, I don't know what they're called. And then these are cool. I actually have a specific thing that I want to do with these ones. Yeah. Oh, cute. Look how cute. I didn't know it was all connected like that. Oh, that is even cuter than I thought it was. Yeah, that's really cute. So there's 2 sets of those in there. And then I got some, and so this was my second order from her. I actually had already purchased something from her. I purchased a couple of playing cards, and I actually purchased these before, but didn't get them in my packaging. But again, like I said, she was like totally like, let me just send you more, you know. So really super sweet about it. Oh, this is really cool paper. So it's like old ledger paper. Yeah. I like this. That's cool. I like the holes on the side. And then this was really cool. This was actually, I decided I was going to order these, so I'm like, oh, I'll just get a couple more things.
So this are the kind of like some old-fashioned sewing pages, and I actually have a couple of journals that I'm going to be doing. So I thought these would look really great in there. I love the outside border. I think those are really cool. Yeah, these are neat. I love that all the pages have that border on them. So, yeah.
Cool. Okay, so I got these, and then I also got some playing cards. So let me show you what those are. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I already have one of those. That's so cute. I love that one. Oh, that's cool. That's like very retro 60s. And then a little airplane one. So I got a couple of horsey ones. So there's 4 of each set. And the reason that I got these was that I just recently purchased the authentic like cowboy paper. I'll go ahead and leave a little clip here of what that looks like. I got that at Tuesday morning. So I thought if I'm going to do journals with that one, these would look really cute in those journals. So that's why I picked up these. And then oh, that looks like Holly Hobby. Doesn't that look like Holly Hobby? Holly Hobby? Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Or did I just totally age myself? And the little rooster one. Oh, that one's pretty. The flowers. Oh, look at the pink one. Ooh. That would actually probably look good in the horsey one. Oh, I love that one. Look how cute that one is. Virgo. Oh, that's funny. Arco. That's cute. And then Jack Daniels. This one looks old. Look how old this looks. That's cool. Okay, so that is everything that I got at the 3 Etsy places that I shopped at. If you do place an order with them, make sure to tell them that I said hi and I sent you over. So I ordered a couple of books from thriftybooks.com. So this is obviously not from an Etsy shop, but I have never owned a Eden Holden book before, and I wanted to get some. So I ordered these from that bookstore. It was an online retailer, thrift store. And I just think I think these images are just amazing. I love them. I feel like it's kind of small. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger than it was, but I really still like them. I think they're really cool. And this one is the birthday one, and it's hardback, which I wasn't really expecting it to be hardback, but that's okay. And the pages aren't as, it's not the same texture as these pages. These feel like really kind of like a, I don't know, like a construction paper almost. And these are just like regular book pages. But it's kind of cool because it has like all the dates of the year on it. So, and I do a lot of like journaling and stuff for daily devotionals. So I thought this would be cool to like have, like if I'm doing a page in April and doing my April journal, I can tear this out and put it in a page. And then the images, there's a lot of cute, really pretty images in here. I can't remember how much I paid for them. So I'll leave the prices. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for these, but I'll make sure I leave the prices on the screen. So there's the price for that one, and then the price for that one. And I think they did actually have some more. If you're interested, I'll make sure I leave the link down below. If they still have some more, I'll leave it down below. And I leave the links for all of the Etsy shops that I bought from as well. So, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.